guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be giving one of my old slime a makeover, and I'm going to be turning it into 18 different slimes. I have done a lot of slime makeover videos, and I would like to say this is probably the best one yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad, all you have to do is turn your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay guys, this is the slime that we're going to be fixing and giving a makeover. It's a green clear slime and it has these jumbo rainbow foam beads in it. The slime has completely melted because I've had it for a really long time, and you can also see here that the foam beads are like fading in color and it looks really bad in my opinion. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is remove the foam beads. I've removed the beads, and I want to say that took me about like 5 minutes because these were like bigger in size. They were easier to get out of the slime. And now I'm going to go ahead and reactivate the slime. So I'm going to be turning this into a slime palette. So here is my palette that I got from Michael's. It's a bead organizer with 18 compartments. Here I'm measuring out the slime, and in the first 12 compartments, I'm only filling it halfway because I will be adding clay and glue, and that is basically going to double the quantity of slime. So I don't need to like fill it all the way to the top. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna take 6 of the first slimes and I'm gonna turn that into a butter slime. So instead of like adding clay into each portion, I just took them all together, added in the clay, and then I'm gonna divide it again into 6 equal parts. I feel like this is so hard to explain, but like when you look at the video, it makes sense. It's just that I'm really bad at explaining things. So we have our butter slime, and just like I was saying, I'm going to go ahead and divide this into 6 equal portions. And now I'm going to start giving it color. So I'm going to be doing pink, orange, yellow, this like blue, green, mint color. And then I did purple and white. For the white slime, I added white acrylic paint into it, and it did still have like a slight green tint, which you can't really see on camera, which is kind of a nice thing, but in real life, it did have like a slight green tint to it. The butter slimes are all completed. Now I'm going to take the remaining 6 slimes that are filled halfway to the top, and I'm going to be turning this into a thick slime. So instead of adding like glue into each individual portion, I just took all of them together and I'm adding in glue all. I'm doing like half clear glue and half glue all, and that's basically why I filled the compartment only halfway, because I was gonna add in glue all. And that just gives me like the perfect amount of slime. We have our thick slime, and I went ahead and I divided it back into 6 equal parts, and now I'm gonna start giving it color. So I'm doing pink, orange, yellow, mint, purple, and white. I'm actually doing the same colors like I did with the butter slime, but these are going to be like slightly lighter in shade. The thick slimes are all completed. Now I'm going to turn the remaining 6 into jelly cube slimes. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this foam into small cubes. I've cut the cubes. Now I'm going to start changing up the color of each slime. So I'm doing this like a pinkish red color. Then I'm going to add some iridescent glitter. And finally, I'm going to pop in the cubes. So that's what I did for each slime, but different colors. So I'm sure you guys know I have like this theme going on. So I did like red, orange, yellow, this like blue-green color, purple, and then I did gold. We have all 18 of our slimes, so I took out all of the slimes from the palette and I'm gonna start like rearranging them. So I did butter slime, thick slime, butter slime, thick slime, and you can kind of see what I did here. And then in the bottom row, I just put back the jelly cube slimes. It is time to add the toppings now. So on top of each butter slime, I added a charm. And then on each thick slime, I added foam beads that match the charm that I used on the butter slime. Finally, for the jelly cube slimes, I just topped it off with some glitter. This was the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. I turned one slime into 18 slimes. I am so happy with this palette, and it took a lot of time in planning, I will say that, but it looks amazing and I am super happy with it. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.